I'll go to yeah. Okay. So now it may not be clear because I am going to work with the curve now. It may not be clear in the view. For that, I will just make a surface out of that curve so that you can see in the YouTube video clearly. Otherwise, curve is very thin, so we cannot see it properly. So yeah. So first I'm going to I'm object mode, add mesh, add curve and then bezier, and it is so small we can see from the top perspective, um, from the top angle of depression I am able to see the curve. Now I'll go to front view. I am not resizing the curve at all. Just with the same curve I am going to add the in between vertices. Now let me first rotate it and make it flat. So I'm in on front orthographic view. I am doing the special manipulation in X rotation and 90. Now I'll go into edit mode and we can see two vertices with handles. Now I'll press B in the keyboard so that we can change the handle types, all that. Now first let me make it automatic so that it becomes flat. Yeah, it has become flat now. Then I will make it aligned so that just previously it was in pink color. So I want to get back the same pink color which is aligned actually. It has one advantage. Automatic is bit. Uh, if I whenever I add points and when I move one vertex, selecting one vertex and move it, this handle will react for that. So I want a handle which won't react. So for that, aligned handle type is a suitable one. So I'm choosing the aligned handle type. Right now, I have to. I'm clicking right click and then press choose subdivide. Now immediately we should not click anywhere. We should see that we are not clicking anywhere, because any tool you apply in Blender software, it will immediately show a settings dialog box on the left side down corner. So we should always be alert about that settings appearing on the left down corner whenever we apply a tool in Blender software. So I am opening that settings and giving here number of cuts. Some that is I remember it is 24 or something. That means 12 crest is there in that. So let me put 24 so that one is down, one is up, like that. So I put 24. Now you can see so many is being added. You can see that everything is having a tangent handle. Now when I deselect it, the curve length is only this much. You can see that it is only this much. Now because in video we cannot see it properly, even myself I cannot see it properly, so I make it a surface. In Blender, when we make it a surface, it won't become a surface with vertices and other components and all, faces, edges and all. It will remain a curve as well as it will show the surface. That is one advantage of the Blender. So what I am doing is I am in object mode. I have selected the Bezier curve and I am going to the Bezier curve data properties. The icon shows green color curve like icon. I'm selecting that, and we see shape, texture space, all that. So now let's open the geometry column and go inside that. This and all we can just minimize it. Shape, texture space and all we can minimize it so that you can see the geometry column clearly. Under the geometry column in the curve settings or curve data properties, we see bevel. Under the bevel, depth. In that depth field, let me type like point 1. Point 1 is too much, so let me type 0.01. Yeah, 0.01 is okay. Right, now let me change the color to matte cap, and let it be clay. Right, now this one is done, we have made it a surface, but still, as I told you, even in Blender it is like that, even uh, as long as it is curved, it is not a surface, but it will show the surface. So anytime, whenever you select this, you see uh, in the outliner it is showing only the curve. It is, though it is showing the surface that is meshed in the viewport, it is showing only the curve icon. It is not showing the downward pointing triangle icon, which is mesh. So it is showing only the curve icon, so it is only curve. Now I'll maximize the view, 3D viewport. Press tab in the keyboard to go into edit mode, and I can see so many vertices there. I have to make it transparent by pressing Alt Z, or I can take my cursor to the top right corner and choose the toggle X-ray, or I can do the Alt Z, which is the shortcut. Right, now you can vaguely see those vertices. I can zoom and show you. Seeing in your video, it's not clearly seen, but still, right. So I'll just move and show you. See, this is what it is. So we cannot see the. If I take any mesh, sorry, and go into edit mode, we can see the edges, faces, all that. I'll be able to select. I'll have the access to it. But in here, because it is still a curve, it's not a mesh. So when I select this object and go into edit mode, it will show only the curve, not the mesh. So right now, what we have to do is, for the making the metal grid, first we have to align these vertices. We see so many vertices are there. I'll show you hiding the mesh. See, we can see so many vertices are there. They have to be aligned to this, like this. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So all those vertices should be aligned to those those marks, those spots. So that is one we have to do. There is no escape. Without doing that work, we cannot do it. So we have to do it. So that in video you will be able to see, clearly. For that I am marking it. The major grid points, that I am marking it. I think here it's ending, so here it's not needed. So you can see here, on these spots I have to move the vertex and snap on it. So I will use the horseshoe magnet on the top snap tool and switch on in that menu, horseshoe magnet snap menu, absolute grid snap, and switch on the absolute grid snap. What it will do is, it will snap on the main grid points, not on the in-between grid points, where you can see that it is having, one is having thicker line, another is having small line, like we have in geometry scale box in school times. We have, no, in that the main inches or centimeters will have a thick line, black line, and other lines will be very light and thin. So same way here also, main grid points are where we have to snap our vertex to. So I'll switch on the snap. There, this absolute grid snap will exactly snap. When we switch on this absolute grid snap in the snap menu, when I move the vertex, it will snap on the main grid intersection. Right. Now the first one is already there, so second one, and just see, you can feel that. But it will move. It is moving. Now we should be careful that we are selecting only the vertex, not the points. So this is point, these guys are points, and this is vertex. The square one is vertex, and these are called points. Circles are points. So we should snap only the points. Sorry, snap only the vertex, not the points. Right. Now, and this rotate to the back. Right, and move it. I think I should move it and snap it here. See here, and this one also I will select and snap it here, and this one snap it here. It's a bit difficult to find the main grid points. Only thing, the grid point should have the equal spaces. Otherwise, it won't. That metal net effect won't come. That meeting points won't. So that is why we should be very careful here. Equal spaces should be there. So I think here I have to move it entirely, and then here in Blender we have, see, I want to move this guy and with zoomed in, but my pivot is here on very on the right far corner. So how to have the pivot here, so that I can, in the zoomed in space, I can do this movement. So for that they have given this 3D cursor concept in Blender. It's very helpful. I'm going into 3D cursor concept and clicking here, and then go back to, we should not forget to go back to the um, move or anything. Just we should come out of this 3D cursor immediately after placing the 3D cursor wherever we want. Now I will let's go into this 3D cursor in the transform pivot point menu. Now once I switch on this 3D cursor in the transform pivot point, immediately that pivot point will come here. See, you can see it. So that will be easy for me to zoom in and then move it. So like that, and I have to find where the main line is. Here it is, right? Okay, I have to place it manually only. We should be careful that we are deselecting the points also. Sometimes we deselect only the vertex and leave the points uh, with selection. No, we should entirely, the entire vertex family should be deselected when we are deselecting the vertex. Now I'll move it and keep it here. Only this part is bit tedious. Afterwards it will be easy. Maybe in engineering models, no, when you are doing, you will have measurement. There is some other different workflow will be there, I think. But here, uh, for a non-technical persons, uh, uh, this kind of ways only we can afford to. Right now, I'll move this 3D cursor a little closer here somewhere, and then move it again. So now we have reached this till this middle level. So after this one other half is there. In Maya it snaps nicely. Here the snapping is having some problem. In Maya, Autodesk Maya software, it snaps nicely. Certain things are nice in Maya actually. That is, as a group I can select all the vertex and it will snap, it sets by itself. It goes to the nearest main grid point automatically. But here it's not happening. So now that we don't have. So we have to, every vertex we have to move it and keep it. Okay. Now I have to bring this vertex back to, this cursor, 3D cursor back to the world origin. I'll press Shift S and then choose cursor to world origin. Yeah, this one. Now, uh, we have to place this curve in the middle. Select the curve. What happened? Okay, fine, fine. I have hidden it. Right. So now let's go to top and we should carefully keep it in the middle or let it be like this only. Because if I move it, it become a problem. Okay. Check it once again whether the points are there on the main grid points. Well, wait for I told no, there is each, uh, they should have equal distances. That is the only criteria. For that, any other way, whichever way it is suitable for to draw a curve, that can be adopted actually. So now I am going to choose the alternate points. So in Blender we have an option like we can choose the alternate points by just selecting all the points. Are you able to see the black color points, small dots are there? No, is it clear in the viewport? Very vaguely it is seen. No. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So so I'm pressing A in the keyboard. I'm in edit mode. I'm pressing A in the keyboard and selecting all the vertices in the curve. Yeah, it's all selected. Yeah. Now I'm going. I made this. Ah, yeah. To make that crested curve. That is wave kind of curve. No. For that. Yeah, for that only. Yes, yes. It's a we can call it a profile curve for the shape, no, entire shape which is going to happen. For that, this is called a profile curve or front profile curve we can see. So now I have selected all the vertices. We can see that it's clear from this side angle. Now see, I want alternate vertices only to be selected. Only alternate vertices should be selected. If I do this like this, no. Uh, oh, please. Oh yes, please take it. Yeah. Once you just finish, no, you just ping me in WhatsApp so that I will come back to machine. Hello? Yes. So, yeah, we have selected all the vertices by pressing, I'm in edit mode, selected all the vertices and by pressing A in the keyboard, right? It's all selected, fine. Now we have to do alternate selection. If I do it manually, no, like this alternate vertices selection, it may be bit difficult. Uh, for these many vertices actually we can do, but still there is an option given by Blender for that to select the alternate vertices. We can try that also. I have selected all the vertices, then I am going to select, and there is an option called checker deselect. It is, the name itself is checker deselect. Checker means one is black, one is white. White for selection, black for deselection. So it will apply that concept, that program into this selected vertices, number of selected vertices. You see what is happening? It is saying on the down, curves have no active point. So whenever it says select active object, active point, we just have to select by pressing A. We selected all the vertices. Now we have to additionally, once again we have to select on, just click on one more vertex, pressing the shift, hold the shift in the keyboard. I have to select one more vertex. Yeah, now one will become active and other will be orange color, like that. That is a Blender concept. It is, but in case of vertices it is white color and others are yellow color. So one is active now. Now it won't show that error or comment. Now I'll go to select and then choose the same option, checker deselect. Now you see it has deselected one after one, like alternate vertices are like this. You can see that alternate vertices are deselected. So this will be very useful and it shows the settings also. We can, if I want to deselect two vertex, that also we can put the numbers. We can put like this. I can put two vertices will get deselected and only one will get selected. Like that we can change. In our case, we want only one deselected, and other one should be selected, like that. I will go into front mode. Having selected the alternate vertices, I will go to move option and then bring the height, make the height to exactly 1 square unit. Right, I have done this. Now you can see it is not to maximum extent. It is somewhat okay. Precision is okay somewhat. Now what we have to do is we have to copy one more, duplicate one more thing, and keep it in the top little, in the direction of y-axis. So I will go to top view and then press shift D, escape, and this should also be moved 1 square unit off in the y-axis, in the plus positive side of axis. Now I am pressing Control in the keyboard so that it will snap to the next, that is next square unit, right? Now you can see it is uh, and show you the scale point. Now you can see it clearly. It is in the next square unit like this. Next square unit. One from here to here. Like this. Right. Now let's now this is looking same. It should not be same actually. So where this guy first guy is down, there this guy should be up, like that we should do. So we'll try to move it or something. What let's do this one, whether it's working or not. Okay, so here we should only move it. So let me move it. Okay, fine. But if, without moving, if we can do it, it will be nice actually. -1. Yeah, we achieved it. Now if you see, I'll tell you what I did. I'll go back to the same thing. I just duplicated and kept it one square unit off in the y-axis. This is y-axis. Green color is y-axis. This green line is y-axis. This green line is y-axis. So in this axis, on the positive side, how I am able to know it's positive? You can see the y-axis symbol here. Wherever there is no handle, green color handle in the gizmo where my cursor is, this place is minus, and wherever there is green color handle, the gizmo, there it is plus. So this direction is plus. This direction is minus. Right. So now having moved it, what I am doing, if I go into front view, it is looking same. It is just at the back of the duplicated mesh is just at the back of this the source one, original one. So I want it to look like this one, like how this electromagnetic waves, how it will be, like that it should be. The electric waves and magnetic waves, how little interlaced, or how, I don't know what word to call it, like that it should be. So how to bring that effect? So go to scale axis and then go to individual origins, so that origin should be in the middle. The pivot should be exactly in the geometry's middle. If I just measure with scale, this will be the center of the geometry. There the pivot should be. Then okay, now I can scale it. I can do the special manipulation in x-axis, typing -1. Now I'll go back to front view. See, we got that this kind of shifted dual wave kind of thing. Right. now I'm going to duplicate this one using the array modifier, which we know already. Before that, sorry, we have to merge these guys. They are actually curves only. Still, we can see that. I'll just name it B1, B2, like that something, so that it will be clear. Anyway, it's going to be joined now, and it will become a one single curve. Just I wanted to show you they are still curves only. They are not mesh. Finally, only we will make it a mesh. We will convert it to mesh. So now what we are going to do is merging it. That is joining it. Merging in Blender context, merging means it is between components. That is vertex and another vertex merging, we call it. Joining means object and object, another object. Join. So now I have selected the B1 and then B2, and I am going to merge it you can see how they are looking from the front view I am showing, and in the top view we are seeing it. So this is how it looks. Now I am going to join it. I'll press Ctrl J, or I'll go to object and then join. You can see here Ctrl J is there. So I'm in object mode. I have selected B1 and B2 curves and joining them. They have become one object, right? I'll name him as B1. Right now, I'll go on the right side to the modifiers, add modifier, generate array. Now it is duplicating in the x-axis, because by default it is in x-axis. Numbers are typed in x-axis by default. So I'm going to put it 0. Another thing is, I don't want relative offset, I want absolute offset. So I'll switch off this and switch on this constant offset. Means what? Absolute offset. Uh, we want simple calculation, that is next square feet. From next square feet it should start replicating. So we can go for this constant offset, which is absolute offset. I'm switching on that and typing 0 in the x, because we want only in the y axis, and it is plus positive side of y axis. And so I'm typing 1 and seeing where it is going. Oh, it is going somewhere at the top, it's going. So I think it is, yeah, it is z actually, as per the local axis it is z direction. So let me operate in z and try it. Yeah, this is correct actually, but it is, I should do in minus 0.2 should be okay. I think you can see when I put minus 0.2, exactly it is coming on the grid. See, this one is on the grid, this one is also on the grid, this one also grid, this one also grid. So minus 0.2 is the value. Now I will just increase. Okay. Now I will increase, you see it will replicate nicely. Yeah, exactly. I will just see increase the count, it will like this. So how many I want to do it is, we can just from the top we can see that, and when it attains little more than a square, at the time I can stop the increasing the counting. Yeah, now it is okay. 12 is okay, right? So now if I see it from the sides, no, it should look like this one, kind of maybe. Yeah. So this is the shape or pattern we are trying to achieve. Uh, for that only we. Uh, I'm not getting. Sorry. Yeah. Till here. Okay, till here. Uh-huh. Yeah, we can make. But I will give you the curve, or do you want to draw the curve by yourself? Okay, you draw the curve. I will tell you another way for you and draw the curve. You can draw the curve. But I'll just finish it, no, so that I can guide you. Uh, yeah. So that the video will get fulfilled. Whenever you want to see it, no, you can see it. Otherwise, in the middle, your chunk will come in the middle. You trying that also will get recorded like that. Yeah. So, yeah, let me continue. Now, we have attained to this level. If I see from the side, no, it is looking like this. Okay, fine. Now, I'll go to top view and then duplicate it, because one side we have done it. So the opposite side, or how to say, the tangent side we need not do it. So I'm choosing pressing Shift D in the keyboard and then duplicating it. immediately I should go to outliner and then rename it, otherwise uh, we may get confused because the selection, the yellow color and all will be sometimes confusing. So we can go to outliner and select. So for that we should know which one is original, which one is the second one at least. Right. Now I have duplicated it. Yeah. And I'm going to rotate it. Now if I rotate, you see from here it is rotating because the pivot, it is in the individual origins. So the origin is by default, it is there. It is with the original. That is where it started. Here only in the world axis line only we started. So there the axis, the pivot point is. Now I don't want to change the pivot point doing this and all. I don't want to change the pivot point, moving it here, all that. No, I don't want it to do it. Instead, I will use the 3D cursor temporarily. So I'll go into 3D cursor mode in the toolbox, and then just we don't have to bring from here. I need not bring. Okay, 3D cursor is like that. You see, I just take it back to the word origin. Now, if I click anywhere, no, the 3D cursor will get snapped there. See, it is there. Yeah, so that is very good. Even if it is out of view somewhere, no, and I am here, I can just click here, it will come here like this. So that is one advantage with the 3D cursor. Now visually I am trying to place it in the center, right? It has even value on the right side. 3D cursor has value. There it is. Yeah, here in the view 3D cursor has value. See, you can move it like this, but it will be too fast actually. Usually we can just keep it. So I'm just closing the transform panel, and visually I'm trying to keep it in the center. Okay, this is enough. Now if you see, still the pivot is here. Why? Because I have to go into pivot mode here also, not only here. Here I have to come out of the pivot cursor mode in the toolbox. Once I keep it, immediately I should come out of the pivot mode. Here I should on the pivot mode, where transform pivot point. There I am choosing the 3D cursor pivot point. See, the gizmo is there now. Right. Now I can easily rotate it. Yeah, rotate it, and then I'm doing special manipulation and typing 90. So it is there. Right. Now we have to do little manual alignment because it won't be correct actually. We have to do it. Only thing, we have to know which one we are selecting. Not the B1, we should select the B2. Let's not disturb the B1, which is the original. There is no original fake or duplicate here, but still I am calling it original. There is, I am calling the source original. So B2 is the second one. So this B2 only I should move, not the B1. Right. Now where I am going to place this, I will first switch off the X-ray mode. It will be confusing. So yeah, now I just have to place it. That is where the grid system is. There I will just try to place it. I will switch on the absolute grid snap, the grid, all that, and try to place it. But here these meshes are hiding the grid actually. So let's switch on the X-ray. I think this one is a center. It is correct only, I feel. Let's see. Yeah, this is a correct. You see, they are all pointing like this, no? You can see that. See, they like this. Yeah, this is a meeting point. Now I should just scale it, and the work is done. See what I am doing. I am going to scale it in the y-axis. Uh, that is y-axis means the object's y-axis. That is, let me tell you, say we write in the height I am scaling it bigger, the B2 I am scaling, not the B1, so that the top portion goes above and the down portion goes below. So it is trapped now. They both are trapping each other with their positions. So the net will stay intact like this. Now it is not much clear because the height is too much. For placing the objects, we had the height so that it will be easy for us. Now we don't need the height because it is on play. It is in place now. Now we can reduce, select both guys and then reduce the height. Go to front view and then let's in the height, before we are reducing in the height, for selecting both the objects, this is a final transformation we are doing, scale transformation. Now let me do the shift S and bring the cursor to the world origin. Right now I'm going to reduce the height like this so that it will remain on the floor for that one. Yeah. Right. Now we have brought it like this. Now after this we can do the multiplication also. Like one thing we have to do is one more thing if we are, or two more thing if we have, it will be nice. So in that case what we have to do is we have to duplicate it because it is still a curve, and then and then it is array modifier, so the history is there still, so we can just move it and keep it like this. Switch on the increment grid snap and then do it. Yeah. Now I can just add only 2 here, not more than that. Okay, the original is this side, so I should keep only 1 and then move it here. In the original place only I should move it. Yeah, right. So we have got it. Now if I don't need to, so 3 are there. Now I can merge it, I can join it, sorry, I can join these guys. I'll go to object menu and then join. Okay, before the joining we should do array modifier application, applying it, freezing it we should do. So I'll just say apply all instead of going to everyone and then say apply. I'm just going for 3 of them at one shot. Apply all. Yeah, applied. Applying modifiers failed. Okay, right. 1 second. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I have to apply it. Cannot be applied. Oh, sorry. For converting this curve to mesh, no, first we have to do that. So we have to apply this array. Cannot constrain model. Convert curve to mesh in order to apply. Yeah, I will first apply this. That is, convert this mesh to curve to mesh. Right. This also I will do the same thing. Shift R, R for repeat. Shift R. Okay, Shift R is not working. Yeah, it's all applied. Now I don't have to even apply the array modifier. Only thing, now I have to join it. All 3 are selected. Now they are all mesh. Array is applied, and it's converted to mesh also at one shot. Now Control J, joined. fine. Now I'll again freshly apply the array modifier and see it is. I should switch off the relative offset and switch on the constant. And one thing should be strand should be deleted. Then it will be okay. If I want to make yeah this, so I can just keep on adding this. If I want to add in this direction, I have to take one more array and then add it. So now it has become a square kind of thing. We can uh, make it, bend it, all that we can do to make whatever. Uh, in surgical instruments and all, they have this mesh kind of thing. So that and all we can just bend it, all that we can do. Simple deform. You can bend it like this. We have to apply all transforms, all that, right? So we need not apply now the simple deform. Even this one we can delete. It becomes very heavy. So we can go for your screen. Now I will, yeah. You have deleted the cube. You can just hide the camera and light now in the outliner. Now go to front view. That is press 1 in the keyboard. Yeah. Now go to add on the top left. Yeah. Add curve. Curve. No. Let's say, yeah. Bezier. Yes. That's all. Yeah. Now go to rotation. Go to rotation option. Let's say yeah. Now do the special manipulation. But whenever you are doing special manipulation, no, don't keep your cursor in the junction where it is red and green meeting, red and blue meeting. No, only in the middle. Not that middle, but on the line, but in the middle line. Right. Now we have to rotate in the x-axis, red color. Yeah. Now just hold on and then just press hold and then type 90 in the keyboard. Yeah. Right. Now go to tab, go to edit mode. Yeah. Press V. Yeah, automatic. So it becomes flat. Right. Now right click. One more thing we should do. Sorry, escape. Press V again. We should turn it back to aligned. After doing automatic, we should turn it back to aligned. Yeah. Now press V in the keyboard. Right click, and subdivide. On the down corner, no, you are seeing some settings. Yeah, that one. Yeah, there we should type 24. Yeah, right. Now, yeah. Now you have added. Only thing, now you have to snap it, or you can manually also move. That is first one we need not move. See, you can see, that first point is exactly on that line. So we need not move. Only this guy, yeah, yeah, careful, they are points. They are like the vertex son and daughter. So this guy, in the middle, that guy is vertex. You can always do whenever you are doing selection, no, pick selection, because it's single vertex, single, yeah, yeah, yeah. But it should be exactly okay. Go to move option, go to move option. Yeah, that's now slowly. No, only on the x-axis. X-axis. X X-axis means red color. Yeah, and keep it there, exactly. Yeah, same for other vertices also you should keep. No, this it will, you can snap, but sometimes sometimes we have to do it yeah, you just do the snapping one. Yeah. Wait, 1 second. Whenever you are panning the camera, no, you just keep it in the middle, no, press shift in the keyboard and then middle mouse button. No, we just keep its little up, up middle. Yeah, yeah, there only, because that settings dialog box will keep coming and disturbing you. So always in the field, screen field, no, in the monitor, always keep things where you are working. That spot should be in the middle of the screen, like that. Yeah, right. Now, now this point, this vertex. Sorry. No. Just before that, that is also not aligned. Little zoom out, zoom out, zoom. When you only when you zoom out, no, you will see which line is thicker, which line is lighter. Do you see that? Do you recognize it? See, it is still in the middle only. So we should not zoom it too much also. That one issue is there in my tender. Now I told no, it won't move. Yeah. Now you do wait. Yeah. Fine. Like that you can do. Right. Sometimes no, it will get jammed at that time. See here, this problem is coming. No, it is not snapping. Here we will have to move it. No. Undo. You did the free movement. Only with the axle we have to move it. Yeah. Correct. So like this we have. Yeah. I will tell you one option. You can try that. Just go to no. Switch on the horseshoe magnet. Switch on the snap. Go to no, yeah, I want to show you something. I want to show you some. Switch on the snap and go to the menu. Yeah, there absolute grid snap is there. Just that also you can try. Below. Up in the middle, no, absolute grid snap. Switch on that. Now you select and just move it exactly on the line. Try to align it. Sometimes it works. Yeah. If we have a big monitor, no, it will be easy actually. So now this case, no, here you have so many, no. So from here you draw the rectangle till last from this guy who is in the middle, no. Next, from there you go right far. You select here. Select it. Don't deselect it. Select it. Yeah. A little zoom out and shift select. Carefully, you are going to perspective. It should be in the front view. Middle mouse and zoom out. Select all the vertices. Shift. No. That's right side. Yeah. Now, little right side you move. In the x-axis, right side you move. Keep it distance. Let it go. It's okay. Yeah, yeah. Now you can, enough, enough. Now you can, a little more you move, no? Little more right side you move. Yeah, yeah. Enough, enough. Yeah, yeah. Now you will understand why we are doing this. Yeah, because it is in the, it should not be pre. It should not, it should be post only. We should bring it back, reverse, and then snap it. You will understand while doing. No, you will understand why we are. So now do zoom to that spot where we have to snap from the starting. Yeah, zoom in to that spot. Shift middle mouse. Yeah, careful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So only select this one by one. We have to. So you zoom out, no. Otherwise you won't know. No, 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 no. You have given a more gap. See, undo, undo. See the previous one were just next to square. Yeah. So careful in this. Yeah. Very good. Yes. This curve drawing is bit difficult actually. To my students, no, other students I used to give it by mail only because they take long time. So I tell them when you are working at home, you practice this curve. Anyway, the video is there, so you can see. And press shift and middle mouse button. No, every time you have to pan the view and bring it closer. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, one is, see, I told no, this jamming happens. That is why we are keeping it far right side so that this collision will not happen. Vertex collision will not happen. See, now it is, we have to, yeah, yeah, now you can move it. They are too close, no, for that. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, there are two vertex are there already. So this guy, yeah, again you have to move it. Yeah, yeah, very good. Now you got it. Yeah, yeah. No, you can move even more, I think. Even more little. So that we can. Yeah. Now you press Control Space, no, so that you have bigger. No, no, it's already there. I think. Just check, no. Undo, undo. It's already one vertex is housed there. Yeah, yeah. Careful, careful. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Fine, fine. Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. It got overlap. No, undo, undo, undo. It got overlap. There is, you do the thing again. That's all. Careful, careful. Yeah, that's done. Super. Now press home. No, home button. If you have press home in the keyboard. Yeah. Right. Now you can just zoom little and check whether they are all on the lines. Like that. Every square unit is one guy. Every soldier is standing or not. Yeah. No. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now you can press A in the keyboard so that you will select all the vertices. Yeah, fine, nice. Now go to yeah, one vertex. Yeah, it is already selected. You see right side, one guy is white color. He is in the white color uniform. One soldier is white color. So now Blender won't say there should one more active selection you have to do. That error for me it showed, no, it won't say I feel. So you go to select option in the select menu, sub menu, checker deselect, down, yeah, choose so now it is alternate, yeah, just press W, no, press W. It is, why it is not selecting the alternate. uh, okay, in that case, no, you manually you select, no, you deselect manually in the alternate one. No, no, starting. Okay, correct what you are doing. Yeah, from there you start. Right side you start. Correct. No, this one. Yeah, deselect. Control. Yes. That also you should deselect. Point also you should deselect. Yeah, with the family entire son and daughter you should deselect. That son and daughter points around the vertex. No. You see still that pink color or something is on. No. Go. It is. Wait. Zoom out. Zoom out. Yeah. Zoom out. That right side far corner, no? Right side far right. That deselect. Undo. Control you should press. Yeah. So this guy got entire family got deselected. Like that, entire vertex family you should deselect. That is one vertex in the middle. No. That is okay. That let it be there. Yeah. And you can pull it. You can draw the box for that 3 points or one vertex in the middle, 2 points on the control. Yeah. Like this you do for the yes. Yeah. Press shift and middle mouse. Yeah. Careful. Yes. Enough. Now go to press move button, move option. Choose move option. First, that. Now press. You have switched on the grid snap. So next square unit, one step, one footstep, one square footstep. In the y-axis, that is in the in the z-axis. No, undo. No, careful. No. In the z-axis means blue color. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Careful. Undo. Do some deselection. Okay, so that I think two vertices are in the same place. I think. You just move it up. You'll know it. Move it up. Undo. No. Undo. No. Undo. You will get it back. Undo. Now move it up. Okay. You see? Did you see any? Enough. Release it. Press W in the keyboard. W. Press W. You see right side. Zoom out. No. Don't do anything. No. You see right side. So there one extra vertex is there. That is on that you have overlap. So now no. You have to keep it. Otherwise you cannot find that same spot. You have to keep. No. Undo. Go to move option and move it up. Now you have to identify that guy. This guy, I think, right? So yeah, what should be done? Okay, you deselect the first part, no, till whichever is correct. From left side, you go take your cursor left side. Left side outside the geometry. Left side. No. Yeah, like that. Yeah, correct. Yes. Okay, you have selected it. You have to deselect actually. Uh, Control. Yes. Right. Now keep this guy in the middle. Shift mouse button. Pan the camera. Shift and middle mouse. Yeah, yeah. Right. Now, now what we have to do is these guys have to go right side. Yeah. One thing we can do. Just delete this that one, first one, only select that one, only select, yeah, select, quick selection, yeah, yeah, delete, so that confusion will be over. First one, no, first one also you can delete, first option, yeah, yeah, right. Now uh, what we have to do is um, join, no, one more vertex you can delete, I think, only then it will get tallied. Maybe we will have less length, but it's okay. Delete first option, yeah. Now we have to move this guy, this right side, go to, no, no, zoom out, zoom out, this end, from that starting where you have selected, from that end, draw a rectangle. No, no, each one we need not do, no, no, yeah, and then move it left side, yeah. One more, this you have to zoom it and carefully do it. uh, no, zoom it, zoom in, yeah, see it's not in the place, yeah, fine. Okay, now if you want to see how many vertices, no, just zoom out, press, here also, first one also problem, first one, no, no, I will tell you, yeah, bring it down, yeah, that, okay, okay, no, 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 middle one, bring it down, undo, middle one, shift, yeah, if you feel this, yeah, yes, fine, that's it. Now, just press A in the keyboard and select all the vertices. Now go to viewport overlays, right side corner, top corner, right side. Viewport overlay, so many menus are there. That one. No, no, slowly you go in that region, slowly you go. Previous. That one. Now switch on the, um, what is that? Statistics. Below the text, you are seeing statistics. Yeah. You see on the left side, vertices numbers it is showing 72. Yeah. But it's not 72, but it's showing 72. But yeah, it is right. Now we have to make it a surface. Go to object mode. Yeah, you can press tab also. Yeah. Now, one thing you can do, Poonam, you can just save this curve. No, suddenly it may get, say, yeah, uh, grid net or something. You can name it version one, so that you can have a, yeah, curve file. So next version will be version 2, like, right. Now control space. Yeah, little, make it larger, no? Little expand the properties editor. Right side, properties. Yeah, correct. Yeah, enough. Now, on the right, I told you, no, object data properties. We should go. You know that. You are now in object properties. Just below, above that icon. No. Object data properties is there. See, do you see the curve icon anywhere? No, not that one. In the properties editor, I will see. Yeah, that is data properties. Yeah. Now, yeah, you can just minimize the shape column, no, minimize that. No, in the properties editor settings, no, inside the settings only. No, right side. Shape, texture, space. Yeah. Now, do you see geometry? Yeah, open that, and then go below, scroll down. Yeah, in that depth will be there under bevel. Yeah. Now, 0.01 you type because it's very small, no? 0.01. Yeah. Yeah. So it has become a surface. Right. Now, if you want to cap it, snake, solid. Yes, it's hollow. If you want it to be solid, then there is a fill caps is there. No, in the settings, right side, the properties editor only. Fill caps. No, above, just below that, below that depth, where you just yeah, right. Now we have to duplicate this, but before that, go back to again. Don't change the view, okay? It's a nice view. Go to viewport overlays, top. Yeah. There, do you see uh, scale? Scale is there, no, in the top. Yeah. Point one you put. Now you see the change. Once you type point one, you see the change in the 3D viewport. See, flooring has changed. Do you see that? So yeah. You can, yes. That is, you can just put back one and then again you can do that. Yeah. Put one. It was default is one. Flooring. Yeah. So that we can snap it there for the placement. No. No. Point one. Yeah. Correct. Right. Now you can you can come out of this. Yeah. Now we have to duplicate one. Go to top view. That is no. Top view means top orthographic view. Press 7 in the keyboard. Yeah. Now go to move option and then press Shift D. Shift D. Escape. Now switch on the grid snap on the top. Yeah. And now move it one square unit. Positive side. That's all. Finished. Now you come to front view. Press 1 in the key. So it is same, no? There is no interlacing or that kind of weaver kind of fabric kind of thing is not there. So for that, what we have to do is just go go to perspective. Yeah. Press dot in the keyboard. Yeah, middle. Zoom in. Turn the camera rightwards. Middle mouse. Middle. Yeah. Like this. Enough. This is correct. This is fine. Don't change it. Let it be like this. Now we have to scale it in the -1 in x-axis. X-axis means what? Red color. RGB XYZ. Yeah. Special manipulation. Type -1. You type the -1. But then undo. Yeah. Now we have to do set origin to geometry. Only then it will work. Go to submenus, left side. No, submenus. Object menu. Yes. There set origin to geometry. Yeah. Right. Now you do the same thing. -1. Yeah. Now go to front view. Yeah. So do you see this? This pattern we should achieve first. Huh? Then only we can duplicate. Yeah. This that is why I call this electromagnetic wave pattern. No, it will be like that. Electric wave will be flat or something, and the magnetic wave will be like that. They both interlace something overlap. This pattern only. So like that we should place it. Then we should do the apply array modifier to replicate it. Right. Now before that we should merge it also. Right. So that as a one single entity we can just in array we can replicate it. It will be easy for us. So we have to join it. So for that, select two Bezier curves in the. Now please save it. No, go to file and save it before joining. File version 2. Ah no. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Because it will be curve only. In that case, no, it will be curve only. But next version, when we are before joining, no. Why I am saying version 2, no? Because when you can see the development. Okay, it was when it is in birth it was like this, then when it became 2 years 3 years old it became like that you can see the development. Yeah. Right. Now you select the Bezier curve 001 also in the outliner. That is, you have to press control and then yeah, both you should select, both. No, what you are asking? Both we should select. Yeah. Selected one. No, it will save the whole. It will save the whole. Yeah. Right. Now press Control J. Yeah, Control J. Now you know, no, where that option is. If you suppose if you forget that shortcut what I am saying, next one, next. You see the join one option. Join. Then don't apply it. Don't. It is already applied. Right. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Now name this Bezier curve as B1 something like that. B1. Yeah. Right. Now go to top view. Top means 7. Yeah. Now go to modifier on the right side. Modifier. Yeah. Add modifier. Array. Generate. Under generate menu. Array. Yeah. Now wait. Just listen. Don't do anything. You are seeing in the array settings what and all the relative offset, constant offset, all that. Once we did we used object offset for staircase and all. Now we don't need this relative offset. We only need absolute offset. So here in Blender they call absolute offset in the name of constant offset. They can name it absolute only. It will be easy for us. So okay. Anyway, now we can switch off the relative and then switch on the constant offset. Right side. In the properties below. There, yeah. Switch and constant offset on. Yeah. And open it. Open the tab. Here, there only our work is. Yeah. Now put this guy 0. X is equal to 0. So we have to see what this axis is. But before that, you just go to local, no? On the global is there, no? Top. Change it to local and see. See, it is showing Z axis, right? Blue color. No. You go to Z axis. So in Z only we should. And whether it is positive or negative, minus or plus, it is minus. Because this side is showing. So yeah. So minus 0.2. You just type it and see, no? 0.2. Yeah, now it got repeated. Nice. Now this is the value, constant it is. Now we have to increase the counts. You can just zoom out in the top view, and then zoom out, and bring it down, pan it down. Shift mouse button and we need this. Panning means shift, shift, shift middle mouse, down, shift middle mouse down. Yeah, yeah. So that now, yeah, yes. Now go to counts and increase it to 12 or something. Well, yeah, because we have one entity, no, we joined B1 and B2 as B1. It is one single entity. Mm-hmm. Yes. 12, one more we can, I think. Because it should go more than a square. This is okay, fine. Right. Now, what we have to do is, now we have done to this level, you can just check it. In go to perspective and just check it. Middle mouse button. Yeah. You check whether on the sides, it should be like this. You are seeing, no? Have you seen this asbestos sheet in India and all? You can, uh, yeah, asbestos sheet in India. You see, it will be in this pattern. It will be like cross, like asbestos sheet. That is in India we call it. I don't know what you call in your country. There is on the roof. No, it is a roof actually we use in India. Asbestos. Mm. It's a old type. Nowadays we are not using it. Nowadays it's coming in metal. Asbestos. Yeah, yeah. Shit. Like this one. But this guy is, this one is bit regular, but some asbestos will be like what we have done. That kind of pattern in it. Yeah, yeah. For roof we use this. It sometimes in the heavy wind it flies. It used to fly. Before we were doing in cement, now it is coming in metal sheet. Mm. I think this is in foreign country. Mm. Uh-huh. 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 Where? In Europe. Uh-huh. Africa. Yeah, yeah. In undeveloped, yeah, undeveloped countries, this they are using. It will be hot very inside. Uh, mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Cheaper. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Concrete is costlier, no? So they are afford. They can only afford to this one. You are in apartment or what? You are in apartment. Like many houses are there like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. In I have seen your country only in Mission Impossible like that in some movies also. Only in movies also. Mm. So you come to India sometimes. Come to India, visit in. Uh-huh. Oh my God. You speak Hindi or Punjabi? Your language is Punjabi, I think, no? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Your father is from a different country. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-uh. Indian. Oh, but different language is different language. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Uh-huh. Oh, oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. In another WhatsApp number you gave, in that I saw one old person. He is your father, huh? Like that. There is. Uh-huh. He was wearing sweater or something like that. It is. Sweater. Then it should not be your father. I think someone else. I think. Maybe your cousin or something. Ah, ah. Oh, okay. Yeah. It is very costly. That is PayPal and all. No, it's very costly. And Google Pay, it is yet to come. Only France president came here to meet Modi and all. Uh, uh, okay. That is, you couldn't give inputs. You cannot give as foreign country number. You are saying, huh? Uh-huh. Oh, okay. What other? Uh-huh. Okay. But I'm seeing other numbers there. They are giving. I'm having Dubai numbers. More of Dubai numbers I'm having. They are only. Uh-huh. Yeah. Maybe some restrictions are there. I think. Country to country it changes. Yeah. It's a Punjabi. Is a teacher on website? No, it's run by a Punjabi. Arun Verma, like that. Yeah. Indian website is. Okay, fine. Okay, so we have done this, no? Till this level we have done. Only thing what we have to do is just select this and then duplicate it and rotate it. But for that, I will tell you how. You can just select it. Yeah, go to top view. Seven. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Uh, Now you don't do anything. I will tell you what to do. Now you see the pivot is here. No, the objects won't pivot. It is. So that pivot, you can see that gizmo is here on the down. It is on the starting. That is at the world origin. It is here. Now we are going to duplicate it and then rotate it. Then we need the pivot in the at the center of the geometry. So how to do that? We should not move the origin. I don't want to move the origin going to into origin mode or pivot mode and move the pivot alone and place it inside the geometry and then rotate it. No, I don't want to do that. Instead, I want to use 3D cursor. So first duplicate it, press Shift D. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. On that it won't work. Escape. Now we have to go to 3D cursor mode. 3D cursor on the toolbox, no? Yeah. Second one. Second. Yeah. Just click in the exactly in the center. You don't have to. Just take your cursor. No. You don't have to take it. He will come wherever you click. He will come. He is our servant. Yeah, you take your cursor in the no problem, nothing, no need. It's okay. Yeah. Now take your cursor to the middle of the geometry. Yeah, middle exactly in the middle. You have to find out. You have to figure out the middle of the geometry. Yeah, like that. Come down. Slowly. No, that is not the middle. You are seeing the grid. No. We have to uh, ignore the. Yeah, there only. Geometry's center. Geometry center. No, not there. Yeah, correct. What you are saying is no. Right side. Right side. Click. Take your cursor right side. There only. Little left side. Little. Geometry center. Yeah, center of the geometry. Yeah. Don't see the flooring. Yeah. Now it's at the center. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now you can go to rotate option. Yeah. Now it won't show the gizmo in the middle. Why? Because in the pivot point menu, it is in the individual origin. Switch on the 3D cursor. Where go to top, transform menu. There is transform pivot point menu. No, no. In the middle, there are three menus are there. Three or four menus are there in the top. Top. No, go up. No, no. That is toolbox. Right side, right side. Ah, there. Just below, before that. Just before that. Previous. Ah, yeah. There 3D cursor you on. Switch on 3D cursor. Yeah. Yeah. Now you rotate it. Don't choose the white color. Okay. Always choose the red, RGB anything. Right. Now you have to. No, y-axis, green color. Ah. Now special manipulation, select it and then press 90. Type 90. Yeah, that's all. Now just move this, go to move option, no? Place it in the middle. Yeah, middle. Yeah, yes, fine. Now I think it should be correct actually. Let's anyway go to perspective and check. Go to perspective. Yeah, zoom in. Now it's in yeah, we have to do the work still. Just turn the camera a little. No, zoom in. The zoomed in status, no, it was right actually. Zoom in. No, zoom in, I am saying, zoom in. Yeah, zoom in. Yeah. Now only turn the camera, don't zoom out or anything. Just turn the camera right side. No, this side. How to say? Yeah, left side you turn. Yeah, okay. Just take the camera little up, slightly up. Little, I want to see it from top. Little, yeah, go up. Take the camera up. No, you are going down. You are. Yeah. Still more. Yeah, go more. Enough. So like this you keep. Little turn the camera means I want to go left side. You are going right side, no? Left side. Yeah. Still further. Enough. Now, yeah, enough. Now, just move it. Uh, Move it. This is x-axis, right? So yeah, this blue color axis, no, that one. You just move one square unit. It will by itself. It will move correctly. Just move it. Right side or left side you move. It will be like tight only. Enough. Fine. Enough. Leave it. Now just go little top. Go little. There is zoom out. No. Zoom out. No. Undo. No. There is go. Yeah. Only camera. Now little turn. Go up the camera. Take the camera up. No. You are moving the object. No. You don't have to move the object. Undo. No. You press Alt A. Alt A. Yeah. Now you take the camera up. No, you are going down. Yeah. So this is correct. You are seeing, no? those points are meeting. Now what you have to do, select the B1001 in the outliner. Yeah, name it as B2 so that we won't get confused. Yeah. Right. Now we have to scale it in the y-axis, that is height. So go to front viewport. Yeah, right. Now because the pivot point is in the up, so what we have to do is press shift. No, we don't do don't touch it. Don't. We have moved it and placed it. No more location movement, no more translation, no more movement. We have placed it. They are now they should be protected. That we will work on. That is, one is balanced. Either we can delete it or we can use it later. Yeah. Now we have to do scaling. That is, they both are intersection. Mesh intersection is happening. So, but now from here we should not scale. So, what we should do? We should scale from the bottom only. How to do that? Press Shift S. Choose cursor to world origin. So that cursor will that one. Cursor will come to world origin. You see, cursor has come to world origin. So from the base you are going to scale it. Now go to scale option. Scale option. No, it is. Yeah. No, it is. No. Escape. Undo. Escape. Now go to scale option. You have to go to in the toolbox scale option. Now scale it in the height little more. Scale up. Yeah, like that only. Yeah, little more, slightly more. Enough, I think. Enough. Now go to just perspective and check. No. Yeah. Wait. That is, top is okay. Bottom also we have to check. No, we should not move it. That is what I am saying. Wait, little. I am not able to see the bottom. That is where the crest is going down. No. Yeah. There it is. So, yeah. I will tell you. I will go to front view. Go to front view again. Back to. Yeah. Now you scale it up even more. Nicely. It is not scaling. No. It is very tight. No. No. Scale it more. Scale it. Yeah. Okay, this is okay. Fine. Go to front view again. Now we can move it. Now go to move option. And then just zoom it. No? Zoom in. Further. Fine. Nicely zoom. No. You don't move it on the right side or left side. No. Just zoom in. No. Zoom in. Yeah. Nicely. No. Further. So that we can see it closely. Yeah. Now you move it in the height downwards. Slowly you move it. Yeah. That's it. Now it's locked. Yeah. Now you can just go to perspective and see that. Yeah. Now we have to merge both the guys and then scale it down together. It just wire mat. Yeah. They are interlocked. They don't need another some rivet or some screws to be to make them together, to fit them together. They both interlock and they are bound by each other. Right. Yeah. Right now. Yeah. Now select B1 and B2 together. Before that you can save it as version 3. Save as version 3. So that no, Once we join, we cannot have it separate. We cannot see it separate. Right. Now you press Ctrl J and join it. Yeah, there also you can. Yeah, whichever way. Yeah, done. Now go to Now go to front view. What happened? Oh, okay. We have to convert it. No, undo. Sorry, we have to convert it. Yeah. Now go to perspective only. Go to perspective. Yeah, let it be like this. Right. Now go to object menu. Top object. Convert on option is down. Convert. Come down. Convert mesh. Yeah. Yeah. See, now you see in the outliner both have become downward pointing triangle on the outline. Outliner right side. Yeah. From curve to mesh. Right. Now you can merge it. It will happen. Uh, Bring your cursor to the viewport. Control J. Will happen. Yeah. Right. That's all. Finished. Now you go to front view. Front one. Yeah. Now go to scale option. Toolbox. Yeah. Now you scale it down so that no, they won't be so tubular. It will become. Uh, yeah. Further. Nicely you can scale it down. Enough. Little. No. Little more. Enough. Yeah. Now you can go to perspective and check it. Yeah. Uh, that one piece one is left. Uh, that is then you have to you want it to be tubular, no, circular. Caliber should be circular. Then you undo it. Undo. Right. Now go to front view. Yeah. Now press dot in the keyboard. Yeah. Now first we have to clean up. Do the cleanup, no. So go to 7 top view. 7. Now we can delete this guy. No, but you have to go to edit mode and then delete. Now carefully you select. Okay. Carefully you select. Yeah. Press delete and then first option. Or if you want, you can do one thing. Wait. I will tell you. Select him. Go to move option. Yeah. Just move him and place it on the left side. Okay. Undo. I will tell you. Undo. X-ray is off. Undo. Control Z. Yeah. Press Alt Z in the key. Okay. Right. Now you select again. It is not yet selected completely. No. See, after making it undo. Again you have to select. In transparency mode, it will get fully selected. Yeah. Now move it. Yeah. Now move it leftwards. No. Don't delete. Just select it. No, select. You can fill this guy. See here, there is a vacancy. No, he can come here and settle. Yeah, that's fine. Now you can just check it. What you have. No, so just undo. No, one undo. Let it be in selection. Yeah. Just now zoom it. press dot and whether it is correct or not, whether it is fitting or not, we should see. If it is same pattern, no, we can delete it. If it is not same pattern, we can have it. Just a little turn the camera. I think it's okay. I feel. Yeah, it's okay. Right. Now you can have it, no problem. Alt Z, Alt A. Yeah. Right. Now this thing is done. What we want to do? You want to make it flat, and then they are not suitable. I think they are not suitable. Uh, okay. In that case, no, we have to delete him only. So they undo, because its selection is very difficult here. Press delete and then delete. That's all. Right. Now go to what is that? Something is selected. No, go back. Zoom out. Okay, delete this one. I don't know how. Delete. First one. Okay, it's not fully selected. That's why. Yeah, it's correct. Now only. Yeah. Right. Now go back to object mode. Yeah. Now, what you want to do? Make it flat. No. So select it and go to front view. Yeah. Little zoom out. Little zoom. Enough. Let it. Enough. Now this is the view. Okay, we are going to have this as view. Uh, now the lattice will come on the left side, I think. Okay. No. So now zoom out. Zoom. We are going to bring one new tool. Yesterday I showed you, I think, lattice option. It's a shape changing deformer option. Yeah. So go to object menu. No, object menu. Yeah. In that, sorry, add menu. Add. That lattice will be there below the. Yeah. Now you have to resize this to this shape. You have to make the lattice like this guy and place him where he is. It is like make a coffin box for this guy, for this grid net. You have to do all that. Hmm. Okay. Wait. I will tell you. Yeah, I will tell you. No, wait. See, you want to scale it, but the center is the pivot. Something happening to pivot. Yeah, that is because you have to switch back to individual ordinals. Next one. Yeah. Now you scale it all that you can do. Keep it in the middle of the geometry and then scale it. Yes. No. Yeah, correct. Now go to scale option and middle. All that you understood, no? This is like coffin box. So inside the coffin box, that grid net is sleeping like that. So it should be exact to his side. It can be little outside, little more. Yeah, a little more. Little scale it up, scale it more. Go to scale option and then it may not be so precise. It should go out of the geometry. It go little scale it more, little more. Slide. Yeah. For safe covering, no, for that. Now you height also you have to reduce. Reduce. No. Okay, fine. Now you reduce. Little more. No. Yeah, enough. Go to top. There we have to adjust. Select the lattice in the. If you are not able to see the lattice, select in the outline. Now in the x axis. Yeah. Little scale down in the x. No, x. Right. Okay, fine. You understood it. Fine. That's all. Now we have done the lattice work, but still they are not connected. You just go into edit mode, selecting, having selected the lattice, go into edit mode. Now select any corner vertices, set of vertices, draw the rectangle and select any corner. Any corner. Yeah. Yeah. Now just move it and see, but once you move it, do undo. Go to move option. No, you have selected it. Go to move option and move it. So object is not getting affected. Undo. Uh, Now how to make the object affected? By linking them, lattice and what you are asking? Sorry. Uh, no, not like this. No, not like that. I will tell you. I will tell you. It's a modifier. So through modifier, he is the agent. Through him only we can connect them. So go back to object mode. Uh, Now select. Yeah, select the object. No, it is correct only. Oh, you want to deselect it? It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yeah. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Select the object. Yeah. Yeah. Now you see, object is a slave. No, don't do this. Wait. Object is a slave and lattice is a master now. He is going to become the master. So we are telling the slave, hey man, for you, lattice is going to become the master. So we have to select the object only and then go to modifier. So select the slave and then go to modifier. Right. Now go to add modifier. Add modifier. Down. Yeah. Uh, Now go to deform. There is a below. Yeah. In that lattice will be there. Yeah. Now we have to give this lattice, refer this lattice. Yeah, lattice. Right. Now they are connected. So you have to remember which one to select and give lattice. Okay, that is why I told you master slave example. So you have to tell the slave only that man, your master is lattice. Like that, selecting the mesh slave and then going into add modifier, giving the lattice modifier and then referring the lattice. Right. Right. Now select the lattice. Yeah. Now you see in the properties editor, no, lattice icon will be there. Data properties. Yeah, above that. Yeah, below that. Yeah. Right. Now you see resolution. UV means XY. W means width. Means what? XYZ. Right. Now only in one axis we have to increase, or even that is not needed. Here in this case, no, we don't need that. But still, I want to show you. Just increase 3 of them and see. No, just increase 3 of them and see. Just put some 4 or 5. Like this. You can increase them. I will tell you why we are doing. You may ask me why lattice, right? I will tell you. That is, if an object is having so many vertices, no, and if you are moving the vertex, a small part will be modified, not the big portion of it. So now, because I have put the lattice, you see, one point, one vertex in that lattice will control a big area. You just go into edit mode. You have selected the lattice. Go into edit mode. Select any one vertex. Pick select. Yeah. Okay. Now move it and see, no. But once you move it, just don't forget to undo it. You see they are moving. So this movement, no, is it possible to do by selecting one vertex in that mesh? It is very, very difficult because so many vertex you have to select, and then because it is full of vertices, no, that mesh is full of vertices, density of vertices. So we are having we are with one vertex we are moving the big portion inside that geometry. For that only we use this lattice deformer. Right. Now we can make this resolution 2, which is default. Go to properties editor and make it 2, no? UVW. Yeah. 2, yeah, all of them. Yes. Right. Now enter in. Yeah. Now go to front view. You wanted the now it is in edit mode. Select only the, you draw the rectangle and select only the upper surface of the lattice. No. Draw the rectangle here. Upper surface of the lattice. Yeah. Now move it downwards. Move it down. Yeah, slowly. You can little zoom in and then do it, I feel. Zoom in. Press dot in the GIF. Yeah. Now bring it down. Nicely you can bring it down. Yeah. Enough. Not this much. Little right. Yeah. Enough. Now you don't change anything. Go back to object mode. Object mode. Go back to object mode because you may move anything. Deselect. Alt A. Yeah. Okay. Now go to perspective and you can just view it how it is. Is it flat? Little it has become flat. Okay. So I think it is a bit difficult to make it. We can because we have converted it to what we have to do. For getting the circular result in the while drawing the curve. No, in the beginning. You want to make it. Okay. Uh, you can go into edit mode and do it. You can go to edit mode and then it is already selected. You can move it. No need to scale. No, undo. Go to move option. Yeah, move option. No, it is you are in edit. No, you are in. You should go to edit mode and do it. No, undo. By mistake you go to edit mode. You somehow you came out of the edit mode. Now go to move option. Enough. If it is too height, no, it is not looking good. Right. Now, yeah, for your what you said is right. That is, you want it tubular as well as little height should be less, no. So for that, no, while drawing the curve only, it should be little less in height. We were in the beginning. 1 square unit we were drawing, no, in the height. Yeah, in the curve, if you see, so it should be less in the beginning itself because later we cannot do it. Yeah. That is in the. I will show you. Now you can save this as next version. Go to object mode and then save it. Yeah. Save as for next version. Yeah. Now you can load the first one. You can load the version 1 so that I can show you the curve height should be reduced. Open. No. Okay. Right. Now go to this bevel right side. No, bevel down. No. Bring down your cursor. There, depth is 0.01. Just change it to 0. Below. Below. Yeah. Right. Now you have you can hide that 001 in the Bezier curve. No, in the outliner you can hide it. No. Bezier. Bezier curve, second one, you can hide it. Yeah. Now you see, you don't have to do anything. You have understood it. Just you see, this height can be lesser while we manufacturing only. At that time only, it can be lesser. No, no, don't move it. No, no. Undo, 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 undo. Uh, you always don't move it back. By manually you don't undo. You do. No, 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 undo. I will tell you. I will tell you. Wait, 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 wait. That is top vertices. No, that crest we call it crest in a wave. The top one we call it crest. That crest vertices you select. Zoom out, little zoom out. Yeah. Now you from the that top. Yeah. Now bring it down slowly, slowly. It is because it is snap is on. No, that is why. Yeah. Now it can be half. In that square, it can be half. Little more, it can come down. I think. Yeah, like this we have to do. So when you are doing next time, no, again when you are practicing it, at the time we can have it less and then do it. Yeah, now you have to put point zero 0.01 here. No, no, you have reduced it correct only. It was bring it down. No, no, bring. Yeah, correct. Go to right side, go to properties editor, bevel, depth is 0.01, bevel, come down, bevel word is there, see, no, come down, yeah, that depth 0.01, yeah, yeah. So now though because we were doing the moving the vertices, not scaling the curve, so that the circular shape is intact. So like this, maybe even more lesser we can keep, I think, height. So that no, there after converting the mesh and all, we won't even touch to reduce or anything. So like that. So when you are doing it, you can do. When you are doing by yourself, no, you can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Poonam. So I can tomorrow morning I have classes, so I have to start. Yeah. So tomorrow we will see. Yeah, yeah. Tomorrow we will see this reflection or something you want to see. No, that is metallic reflection. For that, same thing means uh, this part. Uh-huh. That is you gave me one wheel, no wheel, and it is, I think it's suitcase wheel. I think one model you gave. Wheels, yeah. So in that only we will do that. Right. Ah. No, 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 no. That is certain things are there. That is shader notes. In shader notes, I have to show you something. So with that, it will come nicely for that only. Yeah. For for which one? No, this one needs no UV unwrapping. This one is, it is, yeah, metallic color, yeah. But tomorrow we will do. Yeah, yeah. Uh huh. Uh huh. Okay. Definitely, definitely. Ah. Okay. Okay. Okay, Poonam. Okay, thank you. So I will send you the video also. Yeah. So make sure when you are saving, no, careful you are. You may overwrite the latest one. No? It is V1 only, version one, so no problem. Yeah. 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 Okay. Thank you. So yeah, next tomorrow. Tomorrow you can ping me when we can have classes like that. Okay. 7 o'clock like. Uh, okay, okay. 7 o'clock is okay, I feel. 7 o'clock is. Um, okay. Okay, Poonam. Thank you. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.